Surigao.
Matt,
Stop. Sorry.
we'll be ready. We still get the third quarter. We still get the third quarter.
Russell, reluctant rebound. Last 10 to shoot. Last 7 to shoot. 4, 3, 2,
Wow!
13 foul.
First off, we have a classic duo, chicken and waffles. Chicken is
First personal foul, 13.
We get a lot. Right back.
It's all right.
Hey, one is good.
Ready for rebound, stick and through. Shout out KG Florindo Idol. Yeah. Pa-shout out. Kwarta. Raras. Shot para sa black. Foul, Dimondo.
We get a lot of fouls, Jay. 5 seconds.
Second personal foul.
We get 2 more fouls. We get 2 more fouls.
Last two.
Yeah.
Next game, prepare. Auto repair versus sa laban. Wasan kinigil mo na, kamot ba? Magtakot ulit. Uli naman go.
Ako. Hey.
Shooter. Go let up.
Ilagay na yung auto repair. Balik mo yun.
Matt, that's yours, Matt.
Hindi harap ng uli.
Apa.
Third period in action, 24-34, Campbell by 10. 26. Grabbing moves. Beating runs mo, 26.
You guys get him? Okay.
26, 34, 8-point lead, Campbell, Blumher. Pass to Schweden. Bumihet, good defense.
Okay.
Ay, nabitawan. Pass to Blumher.
Oh, foul.
Holding foul. Is fight foul para kay 25. Ipalisipo, 25. First personal foul, 25.
Shout out to our sponsor, Amboy Sports Drink. Thank you, Amboy Sports Drink.
Mr. Perimeter, Bumihet. Good defense. Jump ball tawag. Jump ball tawag. Symbol. Symbol. Last 14 to shoot para sa Campbell. Mr. Perimeter with the ball.
It's okay. It's right. It's okay, guys. You guys get the game. You know guys do it.
Relax yung dribble with the size.
There you go.
Body to body.
There you go.
Spot. Extra pass.
Yay!
Mr. Perimeter for two.
You guys get the game. Let's go.
Stop. Two five.
2-5 second personal foul.
Stop.
Yeah, kape. Sub rep. That's right.
Relax, champ. Give another one. You get him, bro. Rano. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Go.
It's okay.
Okay.
Find your man. Find your man. Find your man.
Oh, yeah, grab that one.
Bounce up. Kick to shoot. 10, 9. Kick to shoot. Easy foul, just say a personal foul. JC. Angelo. Two points, Joko.
Come on, guys, lock this out. Enough already.
Nice pass. No.
Oh, no.
Follow shot by James, yes. Score 32
Hey,
in
strike,
favor of
strike.
Brad all day. 6
Hey.
points lead. Last 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. Third quarter.
Yes, going good. Hey.
JP, 3 points. No good.
Hey, same
Rebound
guy.
Foul.
Same guys. Communication,
zero.
communication.
0-2. Angelo. How many fouls, Angelo? First personal foul. Joko. Pull up jumper. Yes.
Damn. Yeah,
32
lock him up,
40.
lock him up. Let's go.
8 points lead by Brad all day. Winner will advance to play DDS in the next round, semifinals, on Friday next week. Razel, foul by number 10. Shout out to our sponsor for this league, Amway Sports Drink. Thank you for bringing the free drinks. There's 3 more drinks here if you guys want to drink. Want to drink? It's free for now, but next time it's not free anymore. There's 2 more drinks. Thank you, Jitan. No alcohol, no sugar. A lot of vitamins, no sugar. Joko. Easy basket. Yep, there's a QR code right here. If you guys want to order it, there's a QR code right here. Just scan that QR code. This is an online store.
Baguio Palautog.
Yeah, they're winning siya.
Has to run 54 seconds to play. Third period in action. 42. Pull up from the break line of the River Russell.
Okay lang yan.
Once again, isa pa. Grabe. Tali. Automatic. Scoring machine. Mr. Perimeter.
Yeah!
Last touch.
Go! Okay, yes. Hey!
Beautiful pass. Foul from the back, jersey number 0. Third personal
viewer
foul.
na, grabe. Hey, 1 million viewer na. 1 million viewer. Pero negative lang ang kuha, nakakuha, negative. Ay, tao sa YouTube. Ang nag-video may magbayad.
Sorry, dalawa lang. Bawasan pa natin sa mamaya doon. Tinakasalaman, salakan. Nice. Pasok na naman.
Oh, yeah. Oh, our ball. Okay.
Iral, dalawa yung pasok free throw kanina. Isa lang. Thank you.
James, the clock is not running, James.
Oy! Silip. Huli ka.
It's okay. It's right. It's right.
Grabe, Green Maritime. It's right. Wala tayo problema dyan. Malakas tayo.
Go, numbers.
Oh, nice. Save.
Oh,
Pass.
it's okay. It's okay. They know already now.
Veterans mo.
It's okay. It's okay. It's right. Okay, guys.
Lashan.
Okay, Jerome.
Duldulaw. Last fight. Mr. Perimeter. Tali. Oh. Pushing foul. Number 5.
Yes, okay.
Second personal
Hey,
foul.
2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay.
44-55.
Hey, yes, you gotta get that ball.
Lucky.
Set him down.
Next game prepare.
Hey, this is our really game here. So you have to win. Big three are really good. Are
Unang pagod.
very good. Have to win the game.
Every game matters.
Main event of the night. Main event of the night. Alama versus Auto Repair. Magtawag na kayo ng hilog. Matalo, pero matay.
Hey, hey, what?
Dapat na maghilog dyan.
On the way na ka, on the way.
On the way na, on the way. Main event of the night. Foul. Mr. Veterans back into the line.
Okay.
Last 9. jersey number 2 was foul ripped.
Other one. The other zero.
And other zero. JC. Rebound, Russian. Pass to long hair. Long hair with the ball, dancing with the ball. Into the traffic. Foul ang tawag. Jersey number 5. You are. First personal foul para sa akin.
Yeah, Rush, you gotta help that. You gotta help that.
Main event of the night, get ready! Oh, airball! Airball!
Hey, one is good. One is good.
Yeah, coach. Coach, relax lang, coach. Malakas tayo. Second throw, rebound miss, long hair.
Hey, look at that. No rebound. Woo! Hey, that's his game. That's his
Pero
game.
5 over perimeter.
It's this.
It's okay, guys.
As soon as he hits the corner, he cannot push. So,
Oh, karon. Kasi coach ko. Mr. Perimeter with the ball. Pass to 7. 7 didiskarte back to perimeter. Right there. No good. Not this time. Bumalik. Oh! Lakas. 12. Lepang 12. Second personal foul, 12.
Hey, one is good always. One is good. Into the right.
Babandang tira. 47-36, 11 point.
One is good.
Lucy with the ball over him here. Pull up in your face, in your front. 38-47.
That's right.
Uber the good defender. Last hit sa 53 seconds. To play. Last and final play. Oh! Nasayang. Pasa. Lucy relaxing rebound.
Lock him up.
Raras. With the shot. No good.
All the way.
Russell na babalik.
Bang, bang.
Easy to go. Umalong palabas.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Raras with the ball. Good catch.
Oh!
Back
Bang,
on
bang.
the top.
Oh, straight, straight. Straight, straight.
Open tray. Raras.
Bang.
No good. Oh! Isa pa. Naisahan. Naisahan yung malaking katawan. Di ba to siya magtali niya. Oh, 32. Gani, 32.
James, good shot, James.
3-0.
James,
Tara, Jiro.
good shot.
Tara, Lex.
hey, Buck!
James again.
Buck's on!
Rebound. Pass to Russell. Russell relaxing dribble. Last 5 minutes. Hindi nakita. Pass to perimeter. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. Long hair. Pulled up. No good. Rebound James.
Alright, it's okay.
Knocked away. Direction dribble Duse. Open the good defender again. No good. Rebound. GC.
Let him play, man.
Shitty. Pull up. Air ball.
Okay.
Duse na kami. Woo! Napasa sa baliktad. Napasa sa baliktad. Beautiful!
Okay. Right.
Russell foul again. Third personal foul.
right, it's right.
Russell,
Okay.
you are third personal foul.
You guys get him. You guys get him. It's okay. It's okay.
I just said, it's not my life.
It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's alright.
You're allowed to say something. You're allowed to say something.
Raras with the ball. Duse. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Mr. Perimeter. Who with the left hand? Ang layo ng bitaw.
Hey, Jay. Yo. It's alright, Joe.
Stay on his way.
You guys get him.
Ang layo ng bitaw. Who with the left hand?
Oh.
Good D.
In your leg. Sabi ni rep. In your leg daw. Kayo magreklamo dyan. Kayo referee. Mr. Veterans, 4-3. Woo! What a shot! Bang bang! 41-49. Last 2 and 50 seconds.
That's lucky shot on. That's lucky shot. It's okay.
Give up.
That's lucky shot.
Raras gusto mabawi. Not this time. Rebound
Lucky
12.
shot. It's okay, guys.
12. Didiskarte. Lilipan ako para sa'yo. Foul ang inabot. Raras, you are fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul, Raras. Ano no? Russell. Fourth personal foul, diba?
Ha?
Fourth personal foul, Russell.
Si.
Russell.
Oh, si Ras. Upat.
Miss shot. Open the good defender. In front. Again. Time out wide. 44-49. 5-4 lead. Last 2 and 33 seconds. Last and final quarter. Ganda ng laban. Mabul. Main event of the night. O2 Repair versus Salaba. Time out daw. Sila matutawag ko.
Hey, you guys get him. You guys get him. It's okay.
Apat pa pre, yung time out. Huwag pa yung time out. Go. Apat pa. Ala, Campbell. More time out.
You guys get him. Come on.
Back to the ball game. Last 2 and 33 seconds. 44, 49.
Play your game. Play your game. Come on.
7. Pull up. Wala. Rebound. Nasa kamay ni Veterans. Veterans. Ganda ng depensa.
Keep going.
Nice move.
Hey. Woo.
Open shot.
Stop.
What a dagger, Raras. 47-51.
Hey, use the clock.
Last 1 and 54 seconds.
Use the clock, guys. Use the clock. You guys get him.
Ipon yung Raras.
Okay.
First personal foul, Raras. Mr. Perimeter with the ball. 15 to shoot. Last 10 to shoot.
Yeah.
Ay, kasama pang foul. Numero 5. 5. Kay Pauli 5. Bonus free throw para kay Juco.
Hey, no foul guys, no foul. Just raise your hand.
Second personal foul. 5. No good. Rebound Longhair. Agawan ang bola. Nasa kamay ni 5. All time out. James.
Oh, James!
Time out.
James, what is that, James?
Two more time out. Black. Ganda ng laban. Main event of the night. Halaba versus O2 Repair.
Hey, shoot it! Don't let up!
Last one and 31 seconds. 53-47. Duse. Pull up. Wala. Rebound.
Relax, relax.
Last one and 15 seconds.
Let him stop fouling you!
Last 14 to shoot. Last 10 to shoot. 7, 6.
There you go. Let him get foul.
Post forward.
Hey, two shot.
Back to 14 shot clock.
Penalty!
Two shot.
Penalty, 2 shot.
Let him go.
Hey, let him stop fouling you!
5. Si Kwan.
On offense, they're gonna go! Play hard!
No foul. Penalty.
First.
Hey, one is
First
good.
throw, no good.
Always
Rebound,
one is
miss.
good. One is always
Yun,
good.
pass na. Oh.
Always one is good.
Connect for 1 point.
Hey, they're gonna go!
47, 54 seconds to play. Mr. Veterans with the ball. Veterans attacking. Wala. Rebound, Chile.
They're gonna foul you!
14 to shoot. Last 10 to shoot.
Good ball.
Last 8 to shoot.
8 seconds.
Go. Call timeout, just 14 seconds.
Oh, it comes back.
Yeah, I'll take it. When you call timeout, just 14 seconds.
8 seconds.
Niloko ko nito eh. Niloko mo ako ah.
Last 8 seconds para sa campaign.
1 minute.
Yeah.
7 seconds shot clock.
Throw that shit over here. Get open. I will
Hey,
throw that back
out,
that way.
out.
Patutukan.
That way. Jesse.
6,
Hold it.
5,
Call you foul.
4, 3,
Foul. He gonna call you foul.
Shooting.
2 shot. Clock reset. Foul ready. Play. Coach. Napagkadagan paggaling ko diri ako. Kadang ko kagawas.
Okay. Always one is good. Come on, guys. Okay.
Kailangan dako kay kagawas. Besides sa dako gawas, dako butin.
Ano lang.
Ang lawas dali ba kay saysan na nimo butin.
Bang. Always one is good, guys. Always. One is good.
Team ni pare team ni lisod lon kailangan dako kay kagawas, dako kay butin. Di makaya ang lawas dali ra kaya ang butin unsa na lang. Steady team ni sura sudlon. Oh, what a shot!
It's okay.
Wow.
Okay, let him foul. Just
2
be
shot.
careful, guys. Just be careful of the three. Just be careful of the three.
Si James 13.
Jam.
Two sa
Run
buhat.
it, great job, Jam. Just let him go. You good, Jam.
Don't overplay. Don't give it.
Oh, yes. Rebound miss. Main event of the night, get ready. Auto Repair versus Halaba. Almost. Last 13.
Pau.
Last 11. Surrender ba?
Hey, good catch up, bro.
Game boys.
Good catch up. See, you get the third quarter. That's na po. 57-55, no?
First row, connect.
Sir, magpalitsyon yata si Timmy ah. Ha? Papalitsyon ka yata. Oo, Pilipinas. Kay Brato ah. Ka, manguyog mo kay Buli ko Lunis. Uli ka?
Clear na yung
Sige, mag-isa mo, Tim.
Lakas. Miss.
Hey,
Grabe yung
Champ!
Time is over. Congratulations, Campbell.
No.
See you next week.
Walay kampo.
Brother all day.
Wala na kampo.
Oh, sorry. Brother all day. Brother daw. Next game, prepare. Main event of the night. Halaba versus Auto Repair. Narasan mo. Isang